गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू विद्यालय की पाठशाला। आज है पहला दिन हमारे क्लास का एंड अभी मैं जा रही हूँ बस स्टॉप तक। बस लूँगी हमारे कैंपस तक। So update, we have no buses right now. It's gonna come after 15 minutes. तो अभी हम लोगों को चल के जाना पड़ेगा पूरा। So Kavya, how was your first day of your class?
Nice.
Nice. We were late, but it was fine. We actually understood what was the professor saying. He is telling good English and all that stuff. So, अभी second class के लिए wait कर रहे हैं. It's gonna start in 15 minutes. Ciao. Yeah, look at her nails. We are done with class. अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं मेंजा कैफेटेरिया खाना खाने. मेंजा पिज्जा है आज इधर. तो मैं उसने भी बोल रही थी अनन्या, how was your first day?
Classes.
Yeah.
Okay, it was good. Like, it was interesting to be very honest.
तो तुम्हारा कोर्स कैसा चल रहा है?
अच्छा चल रहा है.
क्या
Like,
class
प्रोफेसर्स अच्छे हैं. Like, अब नए प्रोफेसर्स के फेस देखने को मिल रहे हैं तो अच्छे लग रहे हैं.
पिज्जा मुझे भी मिलने वाला है. My number is 74 and 63 is going on right now. They're sitting. Anyways, hi. Okay, so Vaishnavi, how was your day of first class?
Good.
So I'm pretty sure you guys are wondering what's the rent in Italy, and where I live in Messina, the rent is around 180 to 250 euro without bills. So with bills it will vary, like plus 30 euro or 50 euro, and it depends on how much you consume electricity and all of that stuff. So yeah. इधर यूनिवर्सिटी के सामने अगर आपको घर चाहिए तो आपको थोड़ा खोज करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज इट्स काइंड ऑफ अ बिट हार्ड, especially during the peak times when like around September, तब बहुत सारे students आते हैं. And you can also like before coming here, coming to Italy, you can contact owners, contact people like the landlords over here and book your own house before coming here. So it'll be much more easier and friendly, because I have done that. So guys, ये था मेरा पहला दिन कॉलेज का. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comment it down below, or you can reach us out through our WhatsApp group, which will be linked down in the description. For more videos, follow us. Arrivederci, bye.